Hello there everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's live forex market analysis, our pair is gonna be the Aussie dollar, the Australian dollar, in other words the AUDUSD. So without any further waste of time, let's get on with the video. So basically I analyze to find trading setups. So if I do not find any setup, then I do not trade. So basically no setup, no trade. So yes, without any further waste of time, let's get on with the video. So usually I start from a 4 time frame, switch to the line graph to identify my key level. And I start by identifying my highest high and my lowest low, and then my previous highs and lows. Okay, so here I have my 4 key levels. So if I switch back to candlesticks, the first thing I see is that the market was in a bearish structure. It broke out here, it retested, and then is now pushing to the upside to complete our bearish trend. So, and another thing is that I'm seeing a counter trend. The counter trend, this is the counter trend that I'm seeing. So let me move to the hourly time frame. So this is the counter trend that I'm seeing on the hourly time frame. Also another zone that I would like to cater for. Yes, this is my zone that I want to cater for. So if I move back to the 4 hour time frame, this is a strong area here. Okay, let me throw it as a key level. Because this is a strong area from the market, hence you see that here the market is sensitive. So back to the hourly time frame, also want to cater for this zone, the small zone here. Basically now, how would you cater for trading opportunities? And this is our setup. So basically, for sales, let me first cater for sales. Should the market respect this key level, push to the downside, reverse to the downside, push back up to retest, and then from there you might look for selling opportunities. So basically, once the market has retested there, that's where you can place your sell stop there, your sell stop there with your stop loss here, and your take profit possibly around the lowest of the key level. So now if the market has broken out and reverses from this zone, you should go upside to retest, and then that's where you can place your sell stop, so that once the market just breaks out and you are already in the trade, it will then retest the zone again before actually pushing to the downside. But you have to keep in mind that the market has broken out of a bearish trend, so it might reverse at this level and not complete this bullish trend. It might not. So the probability is that it has a higher chance of actually selling, and the possibility is that it also might sell and reverse there, or it might just push to the downside. But keep in mind that we have broken out of a bearish structure from the market. We've broken out of a bearish trend, this bearish trend here, so the market might actually reverse here. So if the market pushes to the downside and reaches this level here, I would highly recommend you to lock your profits to either this level here, this red key level, or to break even just below your entry to see whether it's gonna reverse or it's gonna continue to the downside. And then if you lock your profits to break even, then the market you're kind of like safe. But if the market takes you out, then it means that our setup was basically what we predicted is that it would reverse at this key level. But if it continues, it would first play around before actually breaking out, retesting, and then pushing to the downside. So if you would have locked your profits here, it would have taken you out before actually moving into your direction. So me personally, I would probably lock possibly below entry, but it's your decision. You decide where you want to lock your profits, and yeah, that's just about it. Then where you lock profit is where the market might not take you out. So that was the setup for selling opportunities. And then if the market doesn't sell and chooses to buy, so now we have our small zone here, resistance zone here. So if the market pushes to the downside, gives us a third touch, then that's also a confirmation for us to enter the trade. But if it gives us the third touch and pushes to the upside, breaks our zone and retests, that's where you can then place either your buy limit, your buy stop order, or your buy stop order. So you would place your buy stop order around there, somewhere here, with your stop loss at this zone there. That's where it would invalidate your setup, your buy setup, and then your take profit would be possibly at the highest high. So let's check the highest high. Yes, the highest high. And also what you should look out for is that this is a strong zone here. So if the market reaches there, then that's where you can lock your possibly here. Okay, yes, at this level here, at this red level, to see whether is it gonna reverse from there or is it gonna continue. If it does continue, it might first take all the people of their profit before it continues. Then if it reverses, then it means that the market was meant to reverse. But if you would have locked your profits here, you would have been much safer, because the market might create a weak rejection to stop people out before moving into your direction. So that's how you would cater for the buying opportunity, the buys on this AUDUSD pair. So let me recap again. So for buys, as I said, for buys, if the market doesn't give us a third touch, as long as the market is gonna break out and retest this small zone, and that's where you can then place your stop order here where the market reverses, so that if it pushes to the upside again, then it would activate your stop order. But if it doesn't, it would then give us a fake out, and then you would be safe from the trade. So this is how I would cater for buying opportunities and also for selling opportunities. So yes, that's just about it from this AUDUSD pair. So thank you for watching. Thank you for investing your time into this video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you have any questions or suggestions or any pair that you would like me to analyze, basically any suggestions or questions, you can leave them on the feel free to leave them on the comment below. And if you want more of these videos, then I would recommend you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you can always keep up to date with the videos that I share. So without any further waste of time, I'd like to thank you once again for investing your time into this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.